glad to see you again. Let's start our new year with this sweet cake for the upcoming sweet year. Let's make a Tres Leches cake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and flour a baking pan that you're going to use. Now we're going to separate 4 large eggs into 2 bowls. Next, we're gonna beat the egg yolks together with the granulated sugar on high speed until the yolks are a pale yellow. Beat for about 2 minutes or more on high speed, and when it's done, you'll see that it forms a thick ribbon when you pull up on the batter. After adding the vanilla extract, we're now adding milk to our egg yolk mixture and mixing it until combined. Gradually add and mix the dry ingredients into the egg yolk mixture until well combined. Next, we're gonna beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form. For me, this is the fun part. Gently fold and add in the beaten egg whites into the cake batter until just combined. It's time to pour your beautiful batter into the prepared baking pan and spread it evenly. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When the cake is done, remove from the oven, set aside and let it cool. Poke the top of the cake using a fork, skewer or chopstick, whatever easier for you. It's time to whisk condensed milk, evaporated milk, and the whole milk together with the vanilla extract in a saucepan. Warm over low heat until completely mixed. Not everyone warms the milk, so this is just an optional. Remove from the heat and set aside. Once the cake has cooled, pour the milk mixture over the cake, cover with aluminum foil, and put in the fridge for at least 2 hours or better overnight. People said to have a good result, it's better to chill your bowl in the fridge before you whip your heavy cream. So, let's try it! Oh yeah, my frosting looks so pretty and smooth. It's time to assemble the cake. To make it prettier, I'm gonna sprinkle some chocolate powder, and the rest, decorate as desired. And finally, our Tres Leches cake is ready! Looks so pretty, looks so gorgeous, looks so awesome!
It's time to try our cake. I can't wait.
Yaha, definitely! Even my daughter can't wait to have the cake.
Ooh.
Look at this. This cake is really good to serve for birthday parties, graduation, and all kind of celebration. Let's give it a try. Oh my god, this cake is amazingly delicious, super moist, and the important thing, this cake is so simple to make. So guys, what do you think? Please try this recipe at home. And see you again next time. Bye!